Sophie, who told you you could sit on the coffee table? Did you see a sign that says coffee table is for cats? You did not see a sign. Hmm? Who told you you could sit on this basket full of clothes and junk on top of this chair? No. No. Don't you purr at me. That's not going to make it all better. Sophie, wake up. Sophie, what are you doing out here in a pile of straw? Sitting on the porch here. Nobody told you you could be here. Domino was asleep, or he's half asleep on my chest. And he's got fur all over my black t-shirt. What do you have to say for yourself? Can you hear the purring?